guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are starting the knitting basics series and I am going to be showing you how to do a slip knot. If you're new here, my name is Maxine. I like knitting, I like cats, I like tea, and that is pretty much all you need to know about me. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. As I said, we are going to be doing a really quick tutorial today on how to do a slip knot, so we may as well dive on in. I have my yarn here. This is the tail end, and over here is my ball of yarn that matches my nails perfectly. So on the left side here is attached to the ball. This is our tail over here. And to create our loop, what we need to do is create a loop with the yarn that is attached to the skein or the ball of yarn. So I'm just going to overlay that on the tail yarn so it crosses over right here. And what we need to do is get this through the middle of our circle. So I like to do it this way. So holding this here, all I'm going to do is move my circle over the top of the yarn, pick up this little bit here, the straight line that's going through, and pull the tail tight, just like that. And that there is our slip knot. And what you would do if you were going to cast on is slide that needle through, just like that, and pull nice and tight. So we've got a tail over here, a yarn over here, and our slip knot attached. And I'm going to show you a different way to do it. And this is probably the quickest way, especially if you're used to knitting and used to doing slip knots. I simply wrap it round my hand like that and pinch it here and pull that through. Just like that. And again, slide my needle through. Nice and simple. So that is how you do a slip knot. Nice and handy. You need it pretty much for every single thing in knitting. If you liked this video and you found it helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.